How to activate Best Buy credit card online. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'm going to teach you guys on activating your Best Buy credit card online. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open any of the web browser on your mobile device or your computer and search for Activate Best Buy credit card in the search bar and hit enter in your keyboard. Then you will come across various links, but you're supposed to click on the initial link that is indicating My Best Buy credit card registration. Click on it, and after you do that, you will be landed to the login portal where you have to verify some of the card information. First of all, enter the correct form with your card number, which is printed in your card. And after you do that, enter the name which is written in your card. And after you do that, also enter the security code and also enter the 4 digits of your primary card holder's SSN. After you have entered all the information correctly, simply go ahead and click on the verify option that is highlighted in blue color and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the activation process. And once activated, you will receive an email or the notification confirming that your card is ready to use. If you encounter any difficulties, contact your customer support. And that's all for this video. If you have any questions or queries, you can simply write down in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like this video for more informative video tutorial like this. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.